afternoon. I am Oyedoku Ailuadotu. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control (NCDC) says confirmed cases of coronavirus in Nigeria has increased to 8,344 after 276 new infections were recorded in the country on Tuesday. The NCDC were disclosing on its verified Twitter handle noted that till date, 8,344 cases have been confirmed, 2,385 cases have been discharged, and 249 deaths have been recorded in 34 states and the Federal Capital Territory. The Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) and the Nigerian Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs (NSCIA) have begun to work on guidelines which will prevent the spread of COVID-19 in churches and mosques after the reopening of worship centers in the country. The apex Islamic and Christian groups in the country, which stated this in separate interviews with newsmen, and the guidelines will be submitted to Nigeria Center for Disease Control for review and advice. The Director General for the NCDC, Dr. Chikwe Ihekweazu, had on Thursday at the press conference of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 asked professional groups and faith-based organizations, including churches and mosques, to submit guidelines for reopening to the NCDC. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, has said Nigerian children must be given all necessary care and attention, especially quality education that they require to attain their goals in life. Gbajabiamila, in a statement by this spokesman, Larry Lasisi, said Nigerian children had a lot of potential that must be carefully harnessed through good education and training. The Speaker, in celebrating with them on the 2020 edition of Children's Day, stated that the House under him will stop at nothing in supporting any policy that will promote the rights of the Nigerian child, including their inalienable right to a good education. He called on parents to be responsible and responsive in taking good care and training for their children so that the country will be better for it in the future. Oyo State has recorded 2 deaths from COVID-19, bringing the state total to 6. Oyo State Governor and the head of the COVID-19 task force, Engineer Seyi Makinde, disclosed this while giving an update on the COVID-19 situation in the state this morning. He said 2 deaths were from the 6 positive cases reported for Tuesday, with the 6 cases, a total of 250 cases are now confirmed in the state. Meanwhile, 17 confirmed COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Anambra State government has confirmed its first COVID-19 related death in the state. The governor, Willie Obiano, had the announcement during a special broadcast. He noted that the victim did not report to the health authorities early enough. Obiano also announced that there are 10 confirmed cases of this infection in the state, out of which were including the index case have been discharged. The governor assured of the readiness of the state in protecting the people from the fast spread of the pandemic. On the foreign scene, South Florida